Hey guys, welcome. It's Gilligan here. More troubles in the Philippines. You might be wondering what's going on here. My car had some major issues yesterday on the road. Drive shafts are dead. So I'm going to give you a play-by-play here how it all played out, and I'm going to show you an interesting service that they have here in the Philippines. It's home service mechanics. Saves you a lot of stress, especially if you have a Ford here in the Philippines, because it's hard to get parts. It's crazy. It's crazy how hard it is to get certain parts for Fords. So if you're thinking of getting a car in the Philippines, I wouldn't recommend a Ford. Harder to get parts here. Stick with the Japanese. Hearing some knocking, major knocking noise. Stopped over here. This guy jacked it up. Gonna check it out and see what's up with the car.
If only can stand here and maybe look around my phone. My laundry daddy is gonna get out.
What is it? Seems to be a drive shaft issue. But unfortunately, this guy doesn't have any parts, and he's not able to get any parts for this Ford for what we need. So we're gonna have to take off, risk it, drive it back home, and find another way. So we got these home service mechanics here. They came even at night, around 6-7 p.m. They scoped it out. Drive shafts. They're gonna take off the parts. They're gonna get them. They're gonna bring them. They're gonna bring them to a machine shop and come back in the morning.
Sira nga po. Wala na eh. Red pa lang sira. Sira na po. Buti kaya ano. Dalawa na ang ano ko.
Oo nga po.
Ganun din.
Ganun din po.
Sira din.
You want to take a picture, Mike? This is broken too.
Nagawa natin yung kanan.
Scrapped.
Kung ilang pinagawa, sira din po.
Sira din po. Di bibigay din po yung kabila.
Sisirahin din yung ano.
Freaking scrapped.
Dalawa pa.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh yeah.
So Canada.
Say hi. Canada.
Abuhay.
Crankshaft. Home service mechanic. Today busy? So far so good. Pretty pimp van they got here with all their tools and stuff. They're pretty well set. Like 4 or 5 guys. It's been like maybe I'd say 40 minutes. Got it pretty all installed, both sides. Drive shafts installed. The whole total is 21,000 pesos, which is about 525 bucks for everything. Although they had to they refurbished the parts, because to put new parts it was like double the price, over 1,000. So but still pretty good. I mean, like $525. Everything repaired, and it's all done at home, so you avoid the stress of running around trying to find the parts, finding a garage that has space to do it. So all in all, I'm pretty satisfied. So once done, we're gonna take it for a little test drive and make sure it's all good. Cool toolbox. It's cool. Those tools. Yeah. Ooh. If you're thinking of getting a car and you're out here in the Philippines, I'd recommend sticking with Toyota or Honda, maybe Isuzu or Mitsubishi, but I wouldn't get any like Ford or American cars because it's a lot harder to get the parts. Pulls it with a rope.
No, they pull the tools.
Put the part in place.
They pull the tools with the rope.
Center the part.
Nice van, Mikey.
Nice wheels. Home service. Another important fact, in case you're interested to know, do you need car insurance in the Philippines? No, you don't. It's not obligatory. Most people don't have car insurance here. It's basically play-by-play. If you get in an accident, well, you're going to arrange with the guy. You're going to pay to fix his car if it's your fault. If he gets injured, you're going to have to help him out with the hospital bill. But it's not obligatory to have insurance, so just so you know. Alright, so they're just about wrapping up here. Just putting the tires back on. Everything seems to have gone real smooth. Can't complain. It was pretty quick. I'd say maybe a max an hour to get it all done and everything. So they changed 2 drive shafts, one on each side, and on each side the stabilizer arm. And the total was $525 Canadian approximately, which is not too bad considering it's a home service and they come to you, you don't have to run around.
Ang bomba sa toilet na ayos na din po. Yung isa po natin yung
Rubber po.
okay.
We also just put a new battery in the car. Interesting to know, a lot of stuff here is cheap, but a lot of stuff is the same price just like back home. Car battery is like over $200 here, so practically the same price compared to back home depending on your car. I mean, for sure there is more expensive batteries back home, but for here, I mean, it's not as cheap as you would think for a battery. You know, it's still over $200 for a car battery. Some stuff's cheap, some stuff's still quite expensive. And it's done. It's pretty much done.
Yeah, I'm just gonna test drive the
Good,
car.
go for a test drive.
Balagbag mo lang yung gulong.
Test drive.
Condition.
Ayos na po siya.
So far, so good. No noise.
Maraming salamat po. Ay, napakarami po. Pagka ano yung tikit-tikit yan. Nung una nga po ako yun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ingat po.
Thank you.
Salamat.
All good.